Question number 14. Solve 4/5 x minus 3 equals 2/3 x plus 1. So I wrote the equation down here in the solution again. And I have fractions. In fact, I have two different fractions of this one. There's a 5 here and a 3 here in the denominator. And the least common multiple, or the smallest number that 5 and 3 both divide into, is 15. Now, you can find those numbers by listing the multiples. For example, the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. I could keep on going, but I should need to go to 15. And the multiples are 5, 10, and 15. See, 15 is the first number in both lists, so that's why it's called the least common multiples, the smallest multiple they have in common. So we multiply this, and this, all four things, by 15. So there's the 4/5 x times 15, the negative 3 times 15, the 2/3 x times 15, and the 1 times 15. And the whole purpose of multiplying by the 15 is so the denominators in those fractions divide out. So this 5 goes into this 15 3 times. Now that 3 is multiplied by this 4x, and that's what I have written right here. I can actually multiply the negative 15 times 3 or 15 times negative 3 and get the negative 45 here. And here again, the 3 goes into 15 5 times, so that 5 is multiplied by the 2x, and that's what you see here. And then 15 times 1 is this 15 on the end. So I will, in the next step, I'm just multiplying the 3 by the 4x. 3 times 4x is 12x. I left the negative 45 alone. And 5 times 2x is 10x. Now the next thing I do is want to rearrange this so that the x terms are on one side, the numbers on the other. So from this line to the next line, I brought the 10x over here. See, it's a positive 10x on the right. It will be a minus 10x on the left. The negative 45, I want to bring that over here, so numbers on the right. So negative 45 is the same as having a plus 45 on the right here. And there are different ways that some teachers will show you how to do that. So I'm erasing a little bit here so I can show you that too. So we can, instead of just saying move it over, we can add 45 to both sides. And to get rid of the 10x from the left here, it's positive, so we can take away 10x from both sides. And so when I write that here, 10x, not that good at writing. So those add to 0. So I have 12x minus 10x on the left. Those add to 0, 15 plus 45 on the right. Now 12x minus 10x would be 2x, and 15 and 45 add to 60. And then I want to isolate the x, so I want to get rid of the 2. The 2 is multiplied by x, so that's why I'm dividing by 2 here. So I divide both sides by 2. Those divide out to give me just 1x or x here, and 60 divided by 2 is 30. And so D is the correct answer for number 14.